My husband would always get such a shock that we could have such a huge power bill with just the two of us living here. So I think that spurred us on to try and think how we could help make our contribution to saving the planet a little in our own way by also having solar panels. And to me it was very important, and to my husband, that they weren't very viewable once you drove up to the house. We didn't want to be confronted by lots of panels all over our roof, because we do love our house, and I particularly am very keen about the garden. We've seen some of the products around and they don't look very attractive, and as I said, I wanted it to fit in to our house and our surroundings. They certainly do the job, and we just think if you're going to do something, just do it once and do it properly. And also the results that we wanted have shown that we've chosen a good product that's really outperformed itself. They're not on a string, so each panel works individually, which is very important because we've got panels on 3 sections of the roof, and at some stage the east or the west, whatever, is not getting as much sun as the other, and it's important that each panel works independently and efficiently, and that's what's happening. So devised a way for us to have enough panels to power the house, also to heat the swimming pool if we wanted to, and that was a very important thing to us. Also, we love the product, very good quality product, and I think they sit very nicely on the roof, and they're doing a great job. Oh, we've had lots of smiles lately, because our last bill we actually are in credit, which is wonderful, and we're enjoying using the swimming pool for longer than normal. So I love to swim, and so we're able to swim in the beginning of summer and then way into winter if we want to.